Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the ninth chapter in your SST book, that is the climate of our country. Here we are going to study the different types of climates that avail in our country, India. India is a vast country. It has various landforms. The different kinds of landform affect the climate of the different parts of our country. Some places in India are extremely hot, while some are very cold. Some places get heavy rainfall, whereas some places do not get rainfall for years. Therefore, droughts and floods are very common in India. The climate of India is divided into three main seasons. Number 1, summer season, that is hot season. Number 2, rainy season, that is monsoon season. And number 3, winter season, cold season. Now in this chapter we are going to study about each of the seasons in detail. First we will study about summer season. The summer season starts from April and continues till June. During this season, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. The rays of the sun reach the earth vertically during the summers. Therefore, it is very hot. The northern plains experience hot and dry winds during the summers. This wind is known as Lu. Dust storms blow during this season. The northern mountains remain cool during summers. The southern parts of the country are not as hot as the northern plains. This is because the southern part of India is surrounded by sea on three sides. The coastal areas are cool because of the sea breezes. Here, the temperature remains around 30 degrees Celsius, whereas in the northern plains it goes up to as high as 49 degrees Celsius. So, as to escape from the extreme heat, many people from the plains go to the hill stations. People usually wear cotton clothes during the summer season. Next is rainy season. The rainy season starts in the beginning of June in the south and covers the whole of India by mid-July. The rainy season ends in September. The winds blowing from the sea to the land bring rain. Such winds are called monsoon winds. The Malabar coast is the first to get the monsoon rains. The western coast, the eastern coast and the northeastern parts of India receive heavy rainfall. Mawsynram, a place in Meghalaya, receives the highest rainfall in the world. Rajasthan and Kutch receive very less rainfall. The monsoons are very important for agriculture. Most of the farmers depend on rains. If monsoon comes in time and brings good rainfall, the yield of the crops increases. Whenever the monsoon fails to come in time or brings less rainfall, the yield of the crops reduces. Now the next season is winter season. The winter season starts from November and ends in February. Unlike summers, in winters, the nights are long and the days are short. The sun rays reach the earth in a slanting position, and due to this it becomes cold in winters. The northern plains and the northern mountains are extremely cold. Mountains receive snowfall. The temperature falls below 0 degrees Celsius in hills and mountains. In the areas near the sea, the winter season is mild. In many parts of the country, the season is dry. However, the Coromandel coast receives heavy rainfall. So children, this was all about the chapter, the climate of our country. I hope you all have understood it well. Thank you.